Hello guys, welcome to Easy Web Dev. Today I'll show you how to make this cool lazy model using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in this model, whenever we click open button, it will slide down, and whenever we click close button, it will drop down. So let's get started. So I have a basic boilerplate code in which there is index.html, style.css, script.js, and I have linked my style.css and reset all the styles in it, and also I have linked my script.js. Now in body I will make a div and give it a class of container, and in container I will give a button and give it a class of open, and also give it a text of open. And also I will make a div and give it a class of modal, and inside modal I will give it a button and give it a class of close, and provide it a text of X so that it resemble cross button. And inside there I have a h3 in which I will write any title, and in p tag I will give lorem 35 so that lorem is some of your 35 word. And I will open this with live server. So as you can see all our content on the screen. Now I will grab my body tag and give it a width of 100 view width and height of 100 view height. Now I will give it a background image of linear gradient, and I will start my linear gradient from -45 degree, and I will provide my first color of Rebecca purple, and then color stop of 30%. And now I will give it another color of RGB 0, 208, 255. So as you can see our background will be of linear gradient. Now I will reset my button styles and give it a outline of none, and also give it a border of none and background of none. So as you can see we will see only text inside our button. Now I will grab my container and give it a width of 100% and height of 100%. And then I will give it a display of flags, align item center and justify contents center. So as you can see all the content is in center. Now I will give my open button a position of absolute, so that we will place our button anywhere we want. Now I will give it a top of 10% and left of 10%. So our button will be at the top left corner. Now I am going to give my button a color of black and a background color of white. And also I will give it a fixed width of 100 pixel and give it a padding of 0.5 rem from all the sides. Now I will give it a border radius of 10 pixel and border of 2 pixel solid black. So our button will look like that. Also I will give it a cursor of pointer so that whenever we hover over a button, the cursor will change to pointer. Now I will grab our model class and I will give it a max width of 300 pixel so that model will not be greater than 300 pixel. Also I will give it a aspect ratio of 2:1 so that width will always be 2 times of height, and also a background color of wheat. Now I will give it a padding 2 rem from top and bottom and 1 rem from left and right, and I will give it a border radius of 10 pixel. And also a border of 2 pixel solid black. Maybe 300 pixel will be too small for model, so I will give it a width of 400 pixel, and not that's fine. So now we will grab our close button and give it a position of absolute, and also we will give it our model a position of relative so that it will not escape our model. Now I will give it a top of 15 pixel and height of 2 pixel. I think we will give more to our right. I think 15 pixel will be best. Now I will give it a cursor of pointer so that whenever we hover, our cursor will change to pointer. Now I am going to give my open button a class of hover and give it a color of black. Sorry, our background color of black, background color of wheat, so that whenever I hover over it, it will change to wheat color. Now I will give my model a transform translate y of minus 500 pixel so that it will go out of our viewport. As from the developer tools we can see our model will be out of our viewport. Now I'll give it a transition and give it a transform of 0.5 second with ease so that whenever we add our animation it will do transition smoothly. Now I will make a custom class of fall and give it a transform of translate y 0. And in script tag I will make a const of model and grab my model by using document.query selector and give it a class of model. And then I will grab my open button and save in open button variable and give it a document.query selector open. Same as open, I will grab my close button and save it in a close button variable. Now I will going to add an event listener of click to my open button, and in callback I will do model dot class list dot add and I will add that fall class. So now when we click on open button it will slide down and come to the center. Now I am going to make rest of our animation. For that I will give a keyframes and give it a name of hang, and in 0% I will give a transform of rotate and give it a 0 degree. Then on 30% I will give it a transform of rotate and give it minus 45 degree. Then at 40% I will give it a transform of rotate and minus 30 degree will be the angle. Same like at 50%, I will give it a transform of rotate of minus 45 degree. And then at 100% I will give it a transform rotate of minus 45 degree and also a translate of minus 500 pixel for x-axis and 500 pixel for y-axis. And I will make another custom class of hang and I will give that animation inside that class with the time of 1 second and forwards. So this animation will apply when we click the close button. So we will click give a add event listener of click to close button, and inside that callback I will give a model of class list dot add and give it a hang class. And also whenever we click our close button our file class will be removed, so I will give model class list dot remove fall, and I will do same in open button where our hang class will remove. So I can see whenever I click open button it will slide down and when I click close it will drop. but it is dropping from the center. So for that I will come to my model in style.css and give it a transform origin of top right. So that whenever we click our close button, it will drop from top right. Now I will give my close button a hover class and give it a transform scale of 1.1 so that it will zoom out. I think 1.1 will be too low, so I will give it a 1.3. Now that will be better. So as you can see, when you drop down, the scroll bar will appear. So I will go to my container and give it a overflow of hidden, but whenever we click our open button, we are seeing that it will not slide down, but it will come from nowhere. So if we see on developer tool, hang class will never be removed from model class. So for that I'll give it a set timeout of 1500 delay and I will remove that hang class. And this 1500 will be more than all of our animation. So now as you can see that whenever we click open button, it will drop from above, and whenever you click close button, it will hang. So that's how you will make lazy model. Hope you will like this video. So please, if you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel and share it with everyone. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye.